Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to evaluate the limit of the function x root of x as the value of x approaches infinity. First of all, I would like to simplify x root of x before coming back to our limit, so forget about the limit for now. Remember that from laws of indices this can be written as x raised to the power of 1 divided by x, right? They are all the same thing. And secondly, I would like to introduce e to the natural log to this function. You should remember that e to the natural log of any function is the same thing as that function, so it will not change anything. Therefore, we can say that this is the same thing as e to the natural log of x raised to the power of 1 divided by x. And according to one of the laws of logarithm, this power can drop down to multiply, right? So we have this to be equal to e to the 1 divided by x multiplied by natural log of x, which is the same thing as saying e to the natural log of x divided by x, because 1 over x is the same thing as dividing by x. So now let me bring back my limit. Remember, we want to take the limit as x approaches infinity. So this is the same thing as saying the limit as x approaches infinity of this function e to the natural log of x divided by x. And since e is a constant, remember, we can take it out. So this is the same thing as e to the limit as x approaches infinity of what? Natural log of x divided by x. So this is what we need to evaluate first before we raise it onto e. And you should remember that if you substitute infinity here, you're going to get infinity over infinity, which is indeterminate. Therefore, we are going to differentiate the top and the bottom separately. So this is the same thing as e to the limit as x approaches infinity of what? D over dx of the natural log of x divided by d over dx of x. If you differentiate natural log of x, you're going to obtain 1 divided by x. And if you differentiate x, you're going to obtain 1. So 1 divided by x divided by 1 is the same thing as 1 divided by x. So this is the same thing as e raised to the limit as x approaches infinity of our new function, which is just 1 divided by x. And if you substitute infinity into this function, it is going to become bottom heavy, right? Very big compared to our numerator, which is going to approach 0. Therefore, the whole of this will approach 0. The only thing we have left is e to the 0. And e to the 0 is equal to 1. This is equal to 1, which implies that the whole of this limit, if we evaluate it, we are going to obtain 1. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.